So you are wondering if this children's microscope can actually reveal tiny details, capture photos and videos, and keep kids interested in exploring. So I'm going to show you. The brand sent this to me to make a video for you guys showing how it works. This is a portable digital microscope with a 2.4-inch IPS screen, magnification from 200 times to 1000 times, a megapixel camera, adjustable LED lighting, manual focus, and a rechargeable battery. Let's open it up from a child's perspective and see how quickly we can start exploring. Right here we have the microscope with a wrist strap, 12 prepared slides, a USB-C charging cable, and the instructions. There is no complicated assembly, so after charging it and turning it on, we can start with one of those included slides. I'm placing the microscope over the slide, and at first the picture is blurry. Now I'm slowly turning the side focus wheel, and you can see the image become much clearer. That blurry to clear transition is important because the focus is manual, so children can adjust it gradually and learn how to find the clearest view. It supports 200 times to 1000 times optical magnification, along with 1 to 4 times digital zoom. Lower magnification makes it easier to locate the subject, and then we can increase the magnification to examine the smaller details. The 2.4-inch IPS screen means kids can look directly at the display instead of closing one eye and leaning over a traditional eyepiece. It also lets a parent, sibling, or friend see the discovery at the same time. Now let's see the lighting. There are 8 LEDs around the lens and 4 light settings: off, low, medium, and high. With the lights off, the darker specimen is difficult to see. Low brightness brings out some details. Medium makes the image clear, and high brightness is useful when we are examining something in a dim area. The best level will depend on the object because shiny specimens can reflect too much light, while darker objects may need the highest setting. Now I'm pressing the photo button to save a 2 megapixel image, and I can review it immediately on the screen. The microscope can store up to 200 photos internally. It can also record full HD video, but you will need to add a micro SD card because one is not included. Once a card is installed, kids can record their discoveries, play the footage back, and transfer the files for sharing. Now let's take it outside. I'm bringing the microscope into the yard and looking for things a child might naturally want to investigate, like a leaf, tree bark, a flower petal, a small rock, or even the texture of soil. Here is the surface of a leaf. It looks smooth from a normal distance, but when I place the microscope over it, adjust the focus, and increase the zoom, we can start seeing the vines and texture. Now I'm trying it on a tree bark, and the surface looks completely different. This is what makes it feel more like a one-time toy, because almost anything indoors or outdoors can become a new experiment. It weighs about 164 grams, so it's light enough for a child to carry, and the wrist strap helps reduce the chance of dropping it while moving around. The body is designed to handle the normal bumps that can happen during children's activities, although I will still treat the screen and lens carefully because drop resistant does not mean indestructible. People ask me a few questions about this microscope. First, what magnification levels does it have? It offers 200 times to 1000 times optical magnification and 1 to 4 times digital zoom. I find it easiest to begin at a lower level, center the object, adjust the focus, and then zoom in. Second, can it connect to a computer? Yes, the USB-C connection supports a wider computer view and works with supported Windows and Mac systems. Keep in mind that photos saved to a microscope internal storage can be viewed and deleted on the device, but they're not designed to be downloaded. If sharing file is important, use a micro SD card for video recording and file transfer. Third, how long does the battery last? It has a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery. It takes about 2 hours to charge and can provide up to around 2 hours of continuous use. Actual runtime can change depending on the screen brightness, LED use, and how often photos and videos are recorded. Fourth, is it easy for children to use? The controls are simple, but younger children may need an adult to help them understand focusing, positioning, and handling prepared slides at first. After a little practice, the large focus wheel, screen, wrist strap, and one-button photo controls makes the experience straightforward. I like that this gives children more active alternative to ordinary screen time. They are still looking at the screen, but they are using it to investigate real objects, ask questions, compare textures, and create their own collection of discoveries. With the included slides for indoor learning and a portable design for outdoor exploration, this is worth considering for a child who enjoys science, nature, photography, or hands-on STEM activities. I'll also leave the link in this video so you can take a closer look.